Why is yawning so contagious? Just watching someone yawn, or even reading the word, can trigger one in you. You might be fighting the urge right now. Scientists still don't fully understand why we yawn at all. One theory is that it cools down your brain, pulling in air to lower its temperature. But the contagious part may be about connection. Studies show you're more likely to catch a yawn from someone you're close to, a friend or family. It may be a leftover instinct, a way our ancestors stayed in sync as a group. So a yawn isn't just tiredness. It might be one of the oldest ways humans quietly say, "I'm with you."